Hey YouTube, this here is a Dolphin Active 30 swimming pool cleaner. It's a robotic swimming pool cleaner, and y'all seen me do a video on this thing where we cleaned out the filter on the inside, and the filter is just under this flap here. The filter is in there, which just comes out, and you just clean this thing out. But there's a few more maintenance items that need to be done on this thing to keep it working in tip-top condition. I want to show you a couple of these and just go through one of them, which is really cleaning the impeller. So let's get to it. Other than just cleaning out the filter, there's a few other things we need to check. This unit here is about 5 years old, and if you look here, you can see the tracks. They're a little bit worn, right? So this thing's kind of losing grip on the pool and not really going as it should. These are tracks that are replaceable. I think you could find the parts on Amazon. So I'm going to replace these tracks. On the underside, there's a few little rubber pieces that we want to make sure are in place, especially this one little rubber piece here, right in front of this wheel. The owner's manual, I believe, says to make sure this is still in place. Apparently this could come out. We also need to check to make sure these rubber flaps on the wheels are in okay condition, and mine seems to be in okay condition. The only thing that really needs changing here are these tracks, because they look like if they're worn a little bit. But today we want to just go ahead and clean out the impeller. To clean out the impeller, we're going to take the filter out, and then there are two screws. There's one screw here, one screw here that takes this top cover off. It's one screw. Second screw. And this cover should just lift off. Just like that. There's a little rubber seal here, and this thing just comes out. The impeller's in here, and what happens sometimes is there are leaves and debris that get down in here, and sometimes you just need to clean that out. This one here looks nice and clean. I thought this thing could, oh yeah, this thing just comes out like this. You could see down in the impeller there's nothing in there. Sometimes there's leaves and all sorts of debris that gets past the filter and gets down in there. But this one's good. We could go ahead and reassemble. You just gotta make sure this little rubber seal seals back up. Just like that, and screw it in place. Just replace the filter now, and this thing is good for a little bit. The next time I do some maintenance on this will be to replace the tracks, but I hope this helps someone with one of these pool cleaners. Just do a little bit of maintenance on it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.